Well, it's an early morning and we're going fishing with Feller, baby. Yeah, come join the ride. We up bright and early. Not gonna lie, I'm still a little tired and I think I got some poison ivy on my arm from yesterday. Man, we cleaned some fish over here the other day. We threw it in this trash cans. Oh my God, it stinks so bad. It's gonna be a good day today, boys. Fishing with Fellers. We got the boat. We're heading out to Grapevine Lake. We're strapped and ready to go. Hey! Let's get us that monster bass. Bring her on back, feller! What did I do wrong? Dropping her in the water. Look at that sunset. Who's that coming right there? Is the feller? Is that a feller right there coming out the sunset? Hey, buddy! Up and going now! Hey, she's running good. She's flowing. So we're going to the north side of the lake today? What? We're going to the north side, right? Yeah. North side of the lake. We're gonna go hit these coves and catch some fish, baby. Fishing with Feller, y'all. We got the jig on right now. Got the jig on with the trailer. Got the trailer on the back. We're in this heavily treed area, just floating through, trying to get us a fish. All right, let's do it. Oh, I'm stuck on a tree. This water is muddy over here. Oh! I do. We got a school of fish. Whoa! No, it's a striped bass. Striped bass, baby. Striped bass. There's a school of them right here. Striped bass, baby. Fishing with Feller. Chill out, bro. Chill out, chill out, chill out. That's a striped bass, y'all. Striped bass. Cool little fish. Hey, no skunk. No skunk for me today. No. Boy, we are drifting fast. Oh, got another one. Ah, he came off. Okay, there's schooling in here. We're in the spot. We might should have anchored back there. I think we're in a little hot spot. I think we found it. I don't know. We'll drift, and then if not, we'll come back.
We can't drift too far, dude. We're gonna get stuck.
Oh, there's one.
Yeah.
There's one. There's one, baby. He's another small one.
Small, man. That yellow one's good.
Yeah. There's another one. Feller's catching fish.
Hey,
It's a stripe. It's a striped bass. Yeah, it's striped bass. It's like a white bass, striped bass. Nah, crappie. This ain't no crappie. Is that a fish? Yep, I got one. Yep, I got one. Yeah, that's another one, baby. That's 3 striped bass for me in about 15 minutes. Oh boy, he swallowed that one. I'm gonna need the pliers for this one. Dang, what'd I do with them suckers? I keep losing stuff, man. There we go, y'all. Another striped bass. That's my 3rd striped bass. Little fish, but it's not a skunk. Oh! Striped bass. Catch, going in the water. Hey, Toner finally got him a bass. He's small, but he's nice. Oh, look at his back. He's got that. Let me get up close. Bring him up close. Look, turn him to the side a little. He's got no skunk for you today, baby.
No.
Woo! I got, what, 6 striped bass, and you got one regular bass?
Man,
Nice.
Check out these houses out here on Grapevine Lake. Just millions and millions of dollar houses. They're all along the banks. It's crazy. Some really beautiful out here. Some people with some big money.
Toner got him another bass. Nice catch, man. That's what I'm talking about. We're catching fish now today. Woo! We're putting him in the boat. Oh, just caught another bass, y'all. Nice little catch. He gave me a good fight. He's a little 1.5 pounder maybe. Nice fish. Yeah! Nice fish. Nice fish. That's another one, guys. To infinity and beyond. Feather style. Yeah. Oh, man. Got another little bass. Another bass for the day, another bass catch. See you later, bro. Oh, baby, I just caught a big one. It's a smallmouth. Boy, he was fighting. He was a fighter, wasn't he, Toner?
He was.
Man, look at that bad boy. He's a nice fish. Woo, I'd say a good 2 pounds. He's a nice smallmouth. All right, let's let him go, y'all. That's another catch, y'all. That's another catch. Fishing with Felly. Felly. Fishing with Felly. Hey, Felly fish. That's what it is, a feller fish. He's got a nice little belly on him. Oh, I can't even think straight. I'm catching so many dang fish out here. Hey, Toner, thanks for driving, man. Hey, he's helping me catch fish, man. We're trying to troll this area. It's hard for him to fish a lot, but while we're trying, it's real choppy, but we're catching nice fish, man. Another nice bass on the crankbait. Where's it at? Right there. Yeah. All right, let's let him go, y'all. Here we go.
Them birds hovering over right there. Something in the water? It's bait fish. They got to be over there. It's probably these what we're catching. They're probably hovering over them fish. They're along that. Man, why you gotta catch all the fish, man? You put them back. That's why people can't catch fish, man. Because you catch fish and don't put them back. Oh, there's one. There's one, baby. There's one. Oh, 2 at once. 2 at once. Are you kidding me? 2 at once. He just went under the boat, Toner. I caught 2 fish at once. He's on the other line. He's under the boat. I caught 2 fish at once, y'all. That is too funny. I'm out here catching fish two at a time. There's the first fish, y'all. I don't know if you can see that. I caught 2 at once on the one cast. Here's one. I'll throw him back. I'm just gonna let him go. Woo. 2 fish at once, Toner. I can't believe I caught 2 fish at once. Toner, step your game up!
I'm going, hold on.
There's 2 fish at once, bro! 2 ah! It's alright, one day you'll be pro like me, Toner. One day you will be pro like me. That feeling when you get that Amazon package at the door is great.
It's getting a little choppy out here, but we're catching fish. We're catching fish.
Oh, there he is. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Got him, baby. That's a bass. That's a bass. Yeah, baby. Is that 7 fish today? Yeah, Toner. That's a nice little bass right there, baby. Catching fish is what I do. Nice little bass, y'all. Probably a little, almost a 1 pounder. He ain't very big. Just let him go. Caught him on the crankbait. Crankbait rattle trap, I think it is. Yeah, buddy. Fishing with feller. Fishing with feller, y'all. Alright, let's let him back out. Ooh, that sun's cooking up now. Oh, he came off. Nice. Woo! Hey! Got him, baby. Nice catch. Hey, Toner got him another bass. Nice catch, man. That's what I'm talking about. We're catching fish now today. Woo! We're putting them in the boat. I think if we keep going around this this whole thing in here, we'll catch us some fish. Oh! No, I got one. I got one,
I
baby.
woke up this morning,
Oh yeah.
a bit
Nice.
of whiskey gone. Now I'm yawning.
Oh yeah, he's nice.
What did I do wrong?
Nice, baby. Woo!
What did
Yeah.
I do wrong?
He gave me
I woke up this morning, a bit of whiskey gone. Now I'm yawning. What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong?